Okay, so this is our helium 10. Okay, inside in the helium 10 we are working in the wholesale only in the black box. Okay, and another, this is two things, two tools, cerebro and magnet. This is all you, so we using for finding the product keywords. Okay, and the competitors, but this we using only in the FBM if we working on FBM. Okay, and inside in the FBM special if we are selling own products, so we using this to go cerebro and magnet. Okay, so we will discuss this only short, not full. Okay, but next time you will know about this. And yesterday we talked about this black box. In the black box we finding the best selling products in each category. Okay, so for example finding the products, here we select the Amazon marketplace. There are a lot of markets. Okay, for example we have Amazon seller account. So first we will be need only one account, one seller account. If we create seller account, inside in the seller account you can create multiple marketplace. For example, one for USA, UK, Canada, okay, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, multiple, India. You can create a lot of stores only inside in the one account. Okay, you can sell product in multiple countries. Yes. So here we select on which marketplace we are going to search the product selling rank. Okay, so we will first select the marketplace. This is Amazon UAE. After that we will be select the category, on which category we want to find the products. Okay, so I am for example here selecting the grocery, home, kitchen. Okay, and tool and home improvement. For example, in this category I am choosing the best selling product. Okay, so I am selecting here minimum seller in this category. I want 3, and the maximum is 15, not more than 15 seller. Okay, the minimum price here I selecting 5, and here I selecting maximum price 50. Okay, for example I have some extra money, so I will be select a high price. Okay, monthly. Yes. Hmm? But actually competitor, for example, how many sellers, how many seller involved in this account, only in these products. So I will find products like that in which involve only minimum 3 seller, more than 5 sellers, not more than 5 sellers, 15 sellers. Okay, yes, so I selecting here the quantity of the seller, how many sellers selling these categories of products. Okay, so this is a filter option. I am telling to this tool, you find for me this type of products in which involve only more than 15 seller, not okay, less than 15 and more than 3. So only this product here filter me below. Okay, and here I select price range more than 5 and less than 15, 50. Okay, after that monthly revenue, I selecting here monthly revenue minimum 5,000, maximum I will below. Okay, after that review rating I write here 4 minimum review I need. Okay, and after that fulfillment, this I selecting only FBA because I will be work only on FBA, so I need only FBA products. Okay, so this is the main things we will be fill this monthly revenue, sales, sellers, and the reviews, and after fulfillment. After that we will be click on search. So we find this result. Okay, these are 2 pages. Okay, after that I coming here monthly revenue, and I will be one time click on this. So the high revenue will be show first and the low will be show below. Okay, so here you see this product, and this is the price 49 44.99 per product. Okay, The monthly sale is 500 fell, and the average monthly revenue is 25,594. Okay, review rating also you can see, and this is answered in the home category. These all same in the home category. This is the tool and home improvement, and grocery only one. So from this we know a lot of products based on our requirements, and there are only in the home category. And we select here tools and home improvement, kitchen, home, grocery. Okay, but there are inside in the home category a lot of products same like this. So we will click on this product. So this will be open. Before I already told you how we will be find this product we can sell or not. So first use this product you will be choose. This is the generic product or not. If generic, so directly you understand you can sell this. Okay. If generic. If not generic, they are writing for example some about the brand. So after that you will become here. Other seller are Amazon. You will be click here. Okay. After that you will be click see and more. Here you check their here Amazon by self involves selling this product or not. So you will be check here Amazon sold by Amazon no him, sold by Amazon no him, Amazon no him. So inside in this only involve three sellers, 1 2 3 seller. So this is the best opportunity for us to sell these products. Okay. So after that we will be come downside to the information section, product information. Here this is the SN number. So we will be copy this, and after that this I will be told you how will we find this product more detail. So if we create the seller account, here we will be paste this SN, and we will be find about this product that this is the gated or ungated product. If this is the ungated, so we can sell this, and otherwise agar this is gated product. So for this important we will be get from this brand authority letter. Okay. So after that we can sell this product. Okay. So this is the yesterday class revision, and today our new class on magnet. Okay. If you click on magnet, for example we are selling our own products, so it's called listing. You see, this is the title of this products. Okay. After that this product multicolors, this product category, this product short description, this products long descriptions. Okay. And same like this banners, this the product information full details, this product other descriptions. So it's called content of the product. Okay. So for example, if you making the wholesale business inside in the Amazon, so for this you no need this content. Okay. You no need this content to make this. For this you will be copy only this SN number, and if you paste this SN number in your account, all these details will be automatically appear in your account. You no need to rewrite this content for this product. But for example, if you going to start your own brand, okay, so for this first you will be hire a professional content creator. Okay. So this professional content creator will be create for you this type pictures, this banners, after that multiple colors, and the full it's called a plus content. It's called a plus content, in which involve this title, category, description, tags, and about this other details, this banners, and multiple informations about this only this one product. So it's called a plus content. Okay. So for this we will be hire a professional content creator which write for us this content. So which time we uploading this content on our listing for our own brand. Okay. Which we launching first time. So for this Amazon will be provide us this professional new seller, this SN number. Okay, this will not be for on Amazon. This will be fresh new SN for us. So at this time, we need here keywords for our this new product which we launching. So on this base, on this keyword base, going on search, appearing on search, insert in the Amazon. So this keyword, this tool will be told us which type of keyword people using for this type of the products. Okay. So for example, this is my new, for example, product, luxury hand towels. Okay. So I am copy only this hand towel. This is the brand name, for example. Okay. This luxury is, this is called keyword. Okay. So only hand towel, this is the brand name. Okay. So I copy this and I'm going to, first I will be select the marketplace. Okay. After that I paste my keyword. This is insert in the tools, and insert in the tools, this is magnet. Okay. It's called magnet to finding keywords. After that I will select the marketplace. After that I will be type here my brand name, and again I will be click on get keywords. Okay. This fetching the data related to this brand name. For example, this is the Amazon. Okay. So if first time I come, I am for example a buyer, a customer, and I want to for example two set of luxury hand towels. So this whole, it's called keyword. Okay, this whole sentence. Okay, so I type on this, so I will be find a lot of towels. Okay, so for this this towels coming in my search, I see this. So this people using keywords inside in this content, a plus content. This people using keywords, therefore this appearing in my search. Okay, so for this I see, I write here hand towels, get keywords, again this keywords give me these tools, white kitchen towels, multiple. Okay, so for this I can also here put the my requirement. For example, only show me these keywords which have minimum 200 searches per month. Okay, maximum we will leave this empty. Minimum search I select criteria 200. Okay, after that okay, I will be click here organic. For example, original keyword, show me which people typing and showing here directly. Okay, not by for example sponsored ad. Sometime you people using sponsored ad. You see here this sponsor, this sponsor, this sponsor, this sponsor, this sponsor. For this people pay to Amazon. Pay to Amazon that show my product in first page to the people. So it's called sponsor keywords. Okay. So here we will click organic keywords, not the sponsor. So I click only organic. Okay. And here I will be select the criteria of search volume and again apply filter. Okay. So you see, before I see a lot of keywords, now I see only towel, towel and towels, because this is the only organic keyword. Okay. So after that, if I remove this and click apply filter, so here you see, I see this keywords only, which search volume more than 200. Cleaning cloth, beach towel, best seller products, cleaning cloth, like this. So this type keywords you can use in your new brand. Okay.
You're dead. A beef selling